Today, I'm going to show you how I make money online doing Forex trading. Now, I am going to show you exactly how to get started, even if you are a complete beginner. I'll also show you a secret method I use to make money in Forex without doing the heavy lifting, like spending months to learn, analyzing charts, even making trades. This particular method allows you to make money from Forex passively. Ready to learn? Please hit the like button for this video and let's get started. Liking this video allows it to reach more people who need this information. You see, Forex trading is one of those make money online methods that I had vowed to never try. Why? Because it always sounded so complicated. For the longest time, I didn't understand what it is. Not forgetting the fact that it is considered a scam. A lot of people are wary of Forex trading because it's associated with scammers and all that. So I really had promised myself to stay away from it. There's also the fact that it always sounded too good to be true. Like, really? Is it like a miracle make money online method? So I was so skeptical about it until I met some guy in London who's a full-time Forex trader. And I just had a chat with him and got to listen to him, talk to me about it, what he does and all that. And I was like, okay, so it's not rocket science. And he just told me about the benefits. And one thing that actually surprised me was the fact that he was a full-time Forex trader, full-time self-employed. This person doesn't even know that he helped change my mindset about Forex trading. He changed my perception of it. His story just touched me and I was like, okay, so I might have been wrong about it. Let me give it a try. And from there, I did what Tess does best. I started learning about Forex trading. So that is how I got here. That is why I am talking to you about Forex trading today. My goal is to speak to somebody who was in the space that I was then, who found it complicated. I'm going to try and make it as simple as possible for you and help you get started just the way I did. Now, Forex stands for foreign exchange, which simply means exchanging one currency for another. So in short, Forex trading is the buying and selling of currencies to make a profit. Think of it like this. When you travel to another country, you exchange your money for the local currency. If the exchange rate changes while you're there, you might get less or more money when you exchange it back. Let's say you travel to Kenya from the US and you have US dollars. And at the time when you're exchanging US dollars for Kenya shillings, the exchange rate is $1 is 100 Kenya shillings. Now you have $100. So you exchange it for 10,000 Kenya shillings. Why? Because $1 is 100 Kenya shillings. Now, after 2 weeks, you want to travel back to the US and you have 10,000 Kenya shillings that you want to change back to US dollars. But this time, $1 is not 100 Kenya shillings. $1 is actually 80 Kenya shillings. So when you exchange your 10,000 Kenya shillings for US dollars, you will get $125. Initially, you had $100. This means you've made a profit of $25. Now, that is Forex trading in its simplest form. At some point, you were selling US dollars and then you bought US dollars and you made a profit because the value of currencies change over time. And that is what Forex traders do. They buy and sell currencies in order to make a profit. Do you know what you're in for if you actually start doing Forex? I know you've seen successful traders living large, like driving the most expensive cars and just flaunting the largest lives. And from my research and interacting with Forex traders, I have come to understand that there are definitely strugglers. There are people who are not making much or who are not really good at trading and they're not living the lives that they show, or, they're just people who are in it but are not successful. But there are also successful traders. Like this guy I was reading about called George Soros, who's the richest Forex trader in the world, worth about $8 billion. And there are many more. And reading their stories and how they found success just inspired me so much because when you see somebody else doing something and succeeding, that just motivates you. I was like, okay, if they can do it, then I can. So the main benefit of Forex trading is obviously the unlimited earning potential. You can actually make a lot of money from Forex trading, especially if you take the time to actually hone the skill of Forex trading, because you need to learn. It's a skill that you need to actually practice until you become good at it. Also, the beauty of Forex trading is you don't need a formal education. Nobody cares whether you have a degree or a diploma or you've never stepped foot in a classroom before. You can start Forex trading regardless of who you are, where you live, your age, and all that. So I used to think that when you go into Forex, you have to go with huge amounts of money and just put all your life savings there. But no. In fact, another benefit or advantage of Forex trading is you can start as small as possible and scale as you grow. And you can actually do it part-time or full-time. So if you only have a few hours to dedicate to it, that's cool. If you want to go into it full-time, like my friend back in London, that's also cool. Before you start trading, there's one very big decision you must make, and that is choosing the right Forex broker. A Forex broker is the platform that gives you access to the currency market. Think of it like a middleman who connects you to the market where the buying and selling of currencies happen. As an individual trader or a retail trader, you can't really go into the market directly. You will need sort of an intermediary, an interface to connect you to this huge market that only big players get to directly tap into it. Thing is, not all Forex brokers are created equal. In fact, the broker you choose can make or break your trading experience, especially when it comes to things like trading fees, speed of execution, and even overall support. Now, my broker of choice, or rather the one I use, is called Pepperstone. That's who I have used throughout my trading journey. The best part is they are actually the sponsor of this video. Thank you, Pepperstone. You see, Pepperstone stands out for a few key reasons. Now, Pepperstone has very low spreads, which means better profits. Now, spread simply means the difference between the buying price and the selling price of a currency. Forex brokers make money from trading fees. Every time you place a trade, they charge you some trading fee. The lower the spread, that is, the lower the difference between the buying price and the selling price of a currency, the lower the trading fees you get charged, which means more of your profits actually stay in your pocket. Pepperstone offers some of the lowest spreads in the industry, which makes it an excellent choice for traders who actually want to maximize their earnings from Forex trading. I also like their fast execution and stability. You see, in Forex trading, every second counts. Even the smallest delay in execution could be the difference between profit and loss. Now, I'm going to explain this in the simplest way possible. When you're making a trade, you choose to buy or sell a currency or currency pair. So let's say you want to buy or sell at a certain price point and you want to actually enter the market at that price point. The broker you use should be able to quickly execute the trade you place so that you can actually enter the market at the price point you want. If the execution is slow, you either enter the market when the price has moved, and you don't want that. So Pepperstone actually offers that kind of real-time trade execution. This ability to execute trades fast, like in real time, reduces the risk of slippage. This is where the price moves before the trade is completed. Now, Pepperstone is also a highly regulated and trusted broker with years of experience in the industry, which means you can trust them with your money and your data. You see, I'm one person who doesn't take giving money easily, especially when it comes to online things. I am very wary of platforms and just anything that involves me giving money. So before I settle on something, I really need to do my research and to make sure it's the best. And that is exactly what I did when I was researching brokers. I made sure that my money will be safe, that the broker is reliable, it's a stable platform, and my data will be safe. One of the things that also made me gravitate towards Pepperstone is the fact that you get a dedicated account manager. This is very important for support, especially when you are completely new like I was. So when I created or rather signed up on Pepperstone, I remember I was called by an account manager immediately, and they were looking to help me kind of, have a smooth trading journey, smooth experience using their platform. I would ask any question, and this just gave me confidence. And I was like, okay, at least there's somebody who cares. This is serious. These people are actually people I can trust. This just makes your learning curve smoother because Forex trading has a learning curve. Platforms have learning curves. You see, there's nothing as complicated as trying to do everything on your own when you are a complete beginner. Before I show you exactly how to start trading step by step, it's important for you to understand the risks that come with Forex trading. I have lost money several times while trading, and I know almost every Forex trader has actually lost money because it's just like any other investment, and it's sort of a high risk investment. So anybody who tells you that Forex is all about winning, just winning, is probably not the right person to listen to. This is not saying that Forex is not like a good investment. It's not saying that you will lose your money. It's just saying you need to actually be careful. Don't just make trades. Don't just invest your money. Make sure that every trade or every decision you're making in this space is calculated and you already understand the risks. My friend who's an expert trader told me that ideally you lose and win in Forex. So the goal really is to win more than you lose and to make sure that whatever you lose is calculated so you don't lose more than you can handle. You see, the Forex market is very volatile. Like prices fluctuate constantly, and sometimes even the best predictions can go wrong. Sometimes you'd think, I'm going to make this trade, and from what my analysis and the charts and the market, it seems this currency pair is actually going to buy, and then it ends up selling and now you lose. So you really need to be aware of the fact that nobody can accurately, like 100% predict how the market is going to move. The market will move the way it moves. And even the smallest things can actually affect the outcome of your trade. Now, I'm going to show you how to actually create an account and start trading for yourself. Later on, I will show you how to do something called copy trading. Copy trading is where you don't do the heavy lifting. You just copy someone's trade. All you have to do is put the money and everything is done for you. You don't do the studying, the analysis, the chart. You don't even place the trades yourself. Google Pepperstone and click on the website and then register. This is just like signing up on any online platform. Click on join now and follow the registration steps. You will need to verify your identity. So make sure you are providing names as they appear on your ID and enter the correct address. Now, when you're creating your account, please enter the address of where you are at the moment when you're creating that account. I already have an account. So what I'm going to do is log in. So this is my dashboard. This is how my Pepperstone account looks like. You will see they've listed all my trading accounts here. Now, once you've created your Pepperstone account, you verified your identity, the next thing is to create your trading account inside your Pepperstone account so they can appear there, mine appear here. You do this by clicking on Add Trading Account. Now, you can either create a live account or a demo account. Let me first show you how to create a live account, like a real trading account. So this is what you'll see. And the first thing is to choose your preferred trading platform. There are several, like MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, TradingView, CTrader, Pepperstone, like you can use their trading platform. So trading platforms like MT4, that is MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, are basically software that traders use to kind of analyze charts, place trades, and manage their trading accounts. Think of them as the apps where all the trading happens. Now, if this video is being useful so far, please hit the like button for me. I would really appreciate it. So now once you choose your trading platform, I'll go with MT5. You choose a nickname for your account. You can just set as your name or just account or something. And then you choose either a standard account or a Razor account. Razor has lower spreads for pro traders. I simply usually just take a standard account. And then the leverage. So because this is a new account and we are all brand new, let's go with 150. The currency here, you can choose either USD or GBP. And then you set your password. It's important that you remember this password. You can use the same password as the password for your Pepperstone account so you don't forget them. I usually forget them. So set your password here. We will talk about copy trading in a few. So don't touch this and then click on submit. Once your account has been created, this is what you will see. It will show under trading accounts. Now, if you don't want to start by creating a live account right away, you can create a demo account. So I have a demo account and you actually get like virtual money. So here you can see I have virtual 50,000 USD. So the demo account is just you to practice trading. So to create a demo account, just click on add a trading account and do the same here. So choose your platform, your name, your currency, and Razor or standard, and then choose an amount. Pick the largest amount. It's virtual money anyway, and then submit. So now the next step after you've created your trading account is to deposit money. Remember, trading is just investing money and, making more money on top of what you've invested. So you have to invest or to add something. And I like Pepperstone because investing money or putting money, depositing money in an account is actually very simple and fast. So click on deposit. They have several funding methods. So you can use Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Visa, or, credit or debit card. You can even use M-Pesa for people who are in Kenya. There's PayPal, there's Krill, there's Netella. So they have so many funding methods. So you just choose what works for you. I usually fund my trading account using my debit card. It's faster, it's easier for me. So for instance, for M-Pesa, I will click that and then choose the amount you want to invest. So let's say 500 pounds, and then we confirm amount. Once you confirm everything is okay here, you click on fund account and you'll fund your account instantly. Once your money has been successfully deposited, you will see it here. The next step is to download the trading platform you chose. So if you chose MetaTrader 4, just look for the app on Google Store or App Store. If you chose MetaTrader 5, do the same. Download the trading platform and install it. So this is how MT5 looks like. Click on new account and then look for your broker. Our broker is Pepperstone. It's already added for me. And then choose, Pepperstone, and then use existing account. Choose this server because it's a live trading account. If it's a demo, you choose this one, but it's a live trading account. Enter the login. So this is the account number that Pepperstone sends to your email when you create your trading account. So put it here and then enter the password you used when you're creating your trading account and sign in. You'll be able now to see your account listed. Yeah, the way mine are listed. Your account is ready to trade. First, you have to figure out what currency pair you're trading, like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY. And these are actually the major currency pairs. They are most traded and they have low spreads. Now, let's assume I want to trade GBP USD. As you can see, there is an option to trade, to see charts, details, and all that. So I'm going to click on chart to just see how it's moving. As you can see here, this is how the market moves. So it's going down right now, which means it's in sell mode. Now, when it goes up, the blue, green kind of sticks, it shows that at that point, it was selling. So the market moves up and down, up and down. So once you've done your analysis, you've looked at your charts, and your prediction is this pair is actually gonna continue selling downward. So you want to sell at this point so that if it drops to a lower point, you make a profit. You can also choose to buy, make a prediction that this is going to buy, like it's going to go up, the price is going to go up. So you buy at a certain point and expect it to go up and you make a profit. So for this, we will assume that it's going to sell. Let's place a trade. So you click on this plus sign here. And as you can see, make sure what you're trading is what's indicated here. So GBP USD. If it's the wrong one, just go and choose the right one. So here, the first thing is to choose the trade volume, which is what you will see here. Trade volume is simply how much you want to trade. Normally, it's 0.01, 0.05, 0.101. So the bigger the lot size you choose, the more profit you're going to make, but also the bigger the risk. Personally, I go with the lowest lot size. So here, I'm just going to trade 0.01. It's low risk and yes, low profit, but it's safer. So there's also market execution. If let's say you don't want to enter the market immediately, you want to enter the market at a certain point. So let's say you want to sell, you put a sell limit. You want to buy, you put a buy limit. So when it gets to that point in the market where you've placed, where you want to enter the market, order your entry, the trade executes. But if you want to enter the market now, then you just sell or buy immediately. So for me, I'm just gonna do instant execution. You can also now set a stop loss. Let's say you want to sell, but this might go the other way. It might start buying. So at what point or what loss can you handle? So you put the price point here, which will be your stop loss. When the price gets to that point, it automatically closes the trade. And then you can also set take profit. What amount of profit do you want? At what point of the market, like what price point will be enough profit for you if the trade goes your way? So you set your take profit, and this is how it usually looks like. So I have a stop loss. These ones, they came instantly, like automatically. Usually have to actually do some analysis and figure out these entries and the exits. Once you set, now you click on sell by market or buy by market. So you click sell by market and that's it. You see, it's instant. You are in the trade. You'll wait for this to run. Once you make enough, you can close it. Or if you lose, you close it. Or if it gets to your stop loss, you close it like that. So now, because this is not a trade I want to make, let's close it. So you close position, close. As you can see, I've closed the sale and I've actually made $0.05 in profit. If it's a loss, it will be in red, but this is a profit. I didn't want to let that trade run because it's not something I have analyzed. So it might seem like it's making me profits right now, but maybe it is bound to go up in like the next minute. And I don't want to lose my money. So when you're placing your trades, especially as a beginner, always start with small lot sizes. Manage risk. So 0.01 to like 0.05 is a good starting point. Monitor your trade because it can go either way and you want to remain on top of things unless you're really good at it and you know how things run and all that. So monitor your trade and close it if you feel like you need to close it. So if your trade is like in profit and you're happy with the amount of money it's made you can close it at any time. If your trade is losing and you don't want to lose more, please close it. If you set like a stop loss, the trade will automatically close once it gets to that. You see, for you to place good trades that are likely to make a profit, you need to analyze charts, try to identify patterns and predict where the market is going. And you also need to put in effort in understanding the foreign exchange market. This is a lot of work and it requires a lot of learning. Now, what if you have no time for all of this? What if you just want to make money passively? What if you want to start now? You don't want to learn, you don't want to analyze charts, you just don't want to do all that work. What if you don't want to make or place trades by yourself. This is where copy trading comes in. It is actually the easiest way for anyone to make money trading Forex because you're not doing any of the work. Your job is to invest and let the money work for you. So copy trading is literally just copying these expert traders. When they place a trade, you place a trade. The platform will place a trade automatically for you. When they make a profit, you will make a profit. When they lose money, you will lose money. And that's why it's important to pick the best trader, because these ones, they don't have many losing trades. Now, to get started with copy trading on Pepperstone, this is what you do. Log into a Pepperstone account. As you can see, this is my copy trading account and it now has $217. So how do we create this? You click on add a trading account and then you choose a platform. Remember, we chose MetaTrader 5 and then a nickname, the account type, the leverage, the currency, put a password, and then enable for Pepperstone copy trading. Just make sure you enable this. And now this account is going to be a copy trading account. Once you've input your details and everything is okay, and don't forget this password, click submit, and then you'll get an email. Once the account has been created, it will have the details you will need to log into your trading account. The next step is to download an app called Copy Trading by Pepperstone. You can get it on Google Store or App Store. Now, once you've created your copy trading account on Pepperstone and they've sent you an email with your details, you have your password, you've downloaded Copy Trading by Pepperstone. This is how the app looks like. Since it's your first time here, click on Open an Account to get started. Enter your details, email, password, and then register. Once you've registered for an account, you'll now log in. So enter your email and your password and then click on login. And here you will see all the traders you can copy. And before you choose a trader to copy, make sure you kind of look at their data. You see how much are they winning and how many or how much are they losing. Like you can see the Holy Grail wins 94% of his trades or her trades and loses just 5%. I mean, that's a good person to copy because they are not losing as much. Look at all this data, their leverage, the amount of money, the balance they have. Like you can see here, they have like $30,000. That's a huge number. The risk is medium. So you just look at the different traders you can copy here. Mostly I just look at their losses and their wins. This one has a loss percentage of 20%, which is a bit higher compared to the Holy Grail. So you just go through all these traders and see the ones who you want to copy with a low loss margin or loss percentage. Now, if you look at my account right now, it says I am copying someone already. So if you want to copy, let's say the Holy Grail, there will be a button that says copy here. Just click on copy and, choose the spread. Remember we said minimum risk. So 0.01 is what I have put for this account, and complete the process. And once that is done, you will now start seeing trades on your account. When the person you're copying makes trades, they will appear here. When they are in profit and it closes them, you'll see how much money you've made. And all you have to do is just come back to your account and see how much money you've made and log out and all that. Now, when you're setting this up and you face a challenge, you can easily reach out to your Pepperstone account manager and they will help you get started the right way. If you are unable to kind of set up your copy trading account or, get someone to copy or copy them correctly, just reach out to your account manager and they'll be able to help you set up. And that is how you make money in Forex trading passively without doing any work. Like Forex trading can be so much work when you're doing everything for yourself. But if you don't mind sharing some of your profits, like for the Holy Grail, when I make a profit through his trades, he takes 30%. For me, that's good because it's not like I'm doing any work. Now, to get started with Forex trading, simply use the link in my video description, register on Pepperstone, create your trading account, create your copy trading account if that is what you're interested in, put in money and start earning. today. Copy trading, you don't have to wait. Now, if you want to actually learn copy trading by yourself and start placing trades actively, then just create an account and take the time to learn. You can even create a demo account and just practice. Either way, you'll find the link to create an account on Pepperstone, a trading account, in the video description. You will also find links to different resources that can help you get started faster. Now, remember, when you create your Pepperstone account, you'll get an account manager. Feel free to ask as many questions as possible. Give them a call back, send an email, ask questions. If you face any challenges, make sure you actually talk to your account manager. Now, let me know if this video has been helpful. Leave me a comment. What have you learned? Are you going to start trading? What do you think about it? Have I helped you kind of, answer questions you had about Forex trading? Is there something I have left out? Are you a trader yourself or you're just getting started? Feel free to just engage with me in the comment section. I want us to have a discussion because this is something that a lot of people are wary of, and I want us to help each other to grow in this space. Hit the like button for me. I will really appreciate it. That helps the video reach more people. And that is the only thing I will ever ask of you. Just hit the like button. Now watch this video on screen now to learn how to make money passively, because on this channel, we say that passive income is your fastest way to financial freedom. And in this video, I have talked extensively and, just shown people how I make money passively. And I'm very sure it will be of great help. Adding Forex trading, copy trading, and then these methods I am talking about in this video will increase your revenue streams and make your life easier financially. I will see you there.